Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of GIS for the YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install the QGIS application on your Linux operating system. To do so, from your browser search for QGIS download. Here just click on the skip button, scroll down, and here you will see the list of Linux distributions. My distribution is Ubuntu. As you see here, the Debian and Ubuntu distributions have the similar approach. But don't worry, if you have the other distributions like the Fedora, just click on the specified link and follow the instructions. Additionally, you can use the Flatpak or Spec package managers to install the QGIS or any other application on your Linux operating system. However, in this video, I will follow the first instruction. So in this page, there are a couple of commands that we should run in our terminal. But before that, I want to collect all of commands in my note and then run them step by step. So first open a note and just copy the necessary commands here like this. Since I have Ubuntu 24, I will not copy this line, but if you have the Debian below 12 and the Ubuntu below the 22 version, you should also run this command. I will skip this and copy this. And also we should modify these lines and copy them in the source list qgis.source file. And finally, we should run these two commands. Now, as I already mentioned, I will change some lines here. For example, here I will add the LTR because I want to install the LTR version of the QGIS. I will explain you the difference between the LTR version and the latest release version in a minute. And here we should put our distribution code name. To do so, as they already mentioned here, we should run this command in the terminal. And this is the code name of my distribution. Also, you can see the all available code names here, like Noble, Jammy, or other code names. So I will copy it here, and that's it. So we should create such file. You can use any editor that you want. I normally use Nano to create the files. And just copy this. And using the Ctrl-X, I will exit the file. But I got this error, permission denied, so I will cancel and run this with the sudo and enter my password and copy again. Ctrl-X and yes. So now everything is ready. I just need to run the commands step by step. next command and just update. Finally, the main command here, which will install the QGIS and QGIS grass for us. Just here type yes or Y. So after finishing the installation, just search for the application QGIS and click. As you can see, we have long-term release or LTR version 3.44. Here we go. We successfully installed the QGIS in our Linux operating system. To verify the version, from Help tab, open the vault, and you will see the version and all other libraries that are installed alongside with our QGIS application. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also you will find many useful videos about the QGIS and geospatial data. Thank you for watching.